Yeah.
Okay.
If she's gonna be kicking like that, I would. Otherwise, it's gonna be a long.
Mine are right here, look.
That's gonna be a long one. Yeah, let's do it.
On February 29th, 2024, law enforcement officers in Washington responded to a reported shoplifting incident at Walmart. Upon arrival, they observed the suspect attempting to exit the store through the back door.
You're under arrest, ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah, you are. Put your hands behind your back.
I have 4 months pregnant. Stop.
Stop. Stop. Stop. Stop. Stop. What? No. Let's... This is shoplifting. It's not that serious. Stop. Okay, well, stop. Are you with her? Are you? Okay. Security. No, this is ridiculous. Can you drop these, please?
Here, you got her arm? I'll just give it a cuff.
I don't want to do that. Stop resisting, okay? Please stop.
I'm not resisting. That's the funny part. You're bending it because you want to.
Well, you just think sounds like you aren't complying.
There we go.
We're not trying to hurt you, but you're resisting. No, we're not.
That's precisely what you're doing.
No, you just stole
That's
things and you don't want to cooperate. Okay?
Ow.
Sorry.
Why are you bending my arm?
I'm not trying to.
Why?
She's a cuff.
Why are you bending it?
Okay, you can calm down now.
We're good.
What did you get?
Thanks, man.
Okay. Let's go. I'm gonna go.
Is this your guys or is this yours?
It's mine.
Okay.
I'm gonna go do my paper. Yeah. We'll go lock her back there.
My arm hurts. Get off. Not I have nowhere to run to. Y'all want to fight me so bad. Do it! Yes! Yes! Do it! Do it!
Out of it.
Do it! Break it! Break it!
I got
What
it.
is the point in hurting me if you're gonna hurt me? I cannot walk your big arms like that, and I won't. So just break it.
My car's all the way
No.
around front.
No.
Is it? My car's on the side. I don't know.
Walk me correctly or I'm not going.
Got your choice.
Why are you bending me like that? That's not necessary! Does this look like a fault to you?
Chad's over there.
We're walking into a corner.
Can you hold me on now? Can you hold my arms?
Let me go. Hey, let's go in the car. She's way too.
Stop holding me like that!
I was gonna say we should just put her in my car. I don't know why we're walking all the way over here.
Why are you holding
I
me
figured
so
you guys were going to try and put her in there and then
Yeah.
she'd calm down. But
No! You're causing me physical pain. No, I'm not calming down. I did! I'm pretty sure I told you to I have a baby to go home to.
well, not tonight.
Does do you have evidence bags in the back?
I think so.
Perfect. Can you grab me one, please? Alright, you got a grip with me? I'm gonna put gloves on, please.
Can you not hold my arm like that?
You going to calm down?
Yes.
So if you pull away like that, then you have to go right back to it, okay?
Do you have anything in your pocket that's gonna stick me, poke me or hurt me?
No. What a real piece of shit. Stealing cleaning supplies and baby clothes. What a fucking criminal.
Why do you stand for it?
What was that? Okay.
Last I checked, y'all weren't allowed to do that if you're a male.
Wait, where did you check that?
Can she search me? Because I don't want you touching me. I'm being abused. Please stop touching me.
Everything's on the same page.
Please.
That sounds fine to me.
You good with that?
Yeah, that's fine.
Thank you.
While she's doing that, I'm going to read you something real quick, okay? All right. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have a right to have an attorney or talk to one at this time, or have him or her present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire an attorney, one will be appointed to you if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any of my questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights as I have explained to you? Yes or no?
Alright, gonna unzip this, okay?
What are you doing for? I stole some fucking baby clothes and Lysol and a toothbrush. What a piece of shit.
$37 count.
Okay.
It's unlocked.
Yeah, like it's already on.
Can you put my vape in with my belongings, please? That is mine. I paid for it. I want it back when all this is said and done. Thank you.
Here you go.
Yeah.
Appreciate it. No.
Do you want me to cut the site? Are you saying you're going to school?
Yeah.
If they'll take her?
If they'll take her.
They'll take her. I'll call for you.
Yeah, if you want to call, take
and
it.
if they do,
and I'll work
send
on the
a send over-
trespass.
Yeah.
And then I already got the photo and stuff with. I just need to get his statement.
Yeah, so I'll get a statement.
And then
I'll
get
do
the-
the site, send it to SCORE, and I'll call the seatbelt.
Stop. Stop.
I'm never gonna see my again! No!
It's not in her head. I thought she was at first.
Yeah.
She was a normal, just adult about this. Yeah, I would say really sorry.
Get grass in your hair.
With the trees here. Acting like a child. Those are the people that
I put her in hobbles.
I got those.
Or leg restraints.
Leg restraints. Leg restraints.
Yeah.
If she's going to be kicking like that, I would. Otherwise, it's going to be a long
Mine are right here, man.
That's gonna be long.
Yeah, let's do it.
3 pairs for all 3 though, right?
Yeah.
So that's why I say leg restraints are probably
Mine are right here on this side in my bag.
I just took a walk.
No, I got this.
Where's your house at?
I'm gonna tell you!
Okay, well I need to know for the citation.
I'm homeless!
Okay.
So how are you going home to a baby if you're homeless?
She's with her father!
Okay, then she's somewhere safe.
No, actually, she's not.
Okay. He's a biological father. Okay. So, if you're gonna I got real quick, if you're gonna continue to kick that kind of stuff, I'm gonna put you into leg restraints, okay?
Do it.
So, otherwise, just relax and we'll go up to jail and it'll be really quick and easy.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm never gonna see my again. What are you talking about?
It's a basic shoplift. If you would have complied with this from the very beginning, I'd have probably issued
That's
you a
not how
citation.
shit works for black people when we get put in handcuffs.
Okay. Are you gonna continue to kick my
I want
car?
to go home and see my month-old.
Okay. Well, that's not an option right now. Okay. Alrighty. So I'm gonna ask that you relax. And don't kick my seat, because if you do, I'm going to have to be forced to place you under leg restraints to prevent you from possibly injuring yourself.
Before, that does not bother me.
Okay. I'm just letting you know.
I've been in neck restraints.
Okay. I'm just trying to de-escalate the situation the best I can, okay?
Go stop Kyle. Go stop someone who's really bad and evil. I'm getting things for my kid.
Okay. That's still stealing. Okay, which is still a crime, alright? It's not a victimless crime.
Some stolen. Let's
Okay.
get started.
So, are we going to continue to kick my chair?
No.
Okay. I appreciate that.
Is it the Lost Country guy who's in the office?
Is it John?
No, it wasn't John this time. It was the other.
John.
The guy you're like, who are you? That guy.
Yeah. John
Oh,
works
that-
nights.
Oh, that. So he came out with her and he said something like, I don't know,
Thank you. He said thank you.
said something weird to her, and I was like, wait, are you with her?
Yeah. He was the one that ran out with me.
Oh, I was
So,
locked in on her.
Yeah. I'll call score.
Yeah.
Location.
Yep. And then I wasn't there. Was there enough for resisting or obstruction?
Yeah.
We said you
Several
can under
times.
arrest, yeah.
Stop, you're under arrest. Stop resisting.
Okay.
You can hit resist.
Okay, I'll head over to this. Okay. We'll just do this. I just want to, if you don't mind doing a sub to cover, because I didn't get that part of it. You know, so I didn't catch that. It came out. So. All right.
What am I in trouble for? Do I need a lawyer?
You're under arrest for theft third and resisting.
So what happens?
So from here, I will be booking you into jail where you'll be able to see a judge tomorrow, and you'll have a bail amount to get out of jail.
Well, I don't have bail. I don't have money. I can't even call my baby dad. I'm going to chew through my. I am not a mentally stable person. You don't even know who you have in the back of your car right now. And I'm also on methadone, so I will sit here and withdraw as.
They have that available at the jail.
Do a day in for that. I have a 8-month-old. And he doesn't even know where I'm at. So what happens if I don't get bail? I just sit in jail?
Until you see a judge tomorrow.
I'm gonna myself. So let him know that.
I will.
Because I'm not sitting in jail when I have a period. There is no bail. I have no bail. That will not happen. So don't even waste your time with that. There is no bail money.
Would you like me to make that phone call for you? Okay, give me 1 second, and I will, I'll get to you just 1 second, okay?
Babe,
Yeah,
I'm in the back of a cop car and I'm going to jail because I'm at Walmart and I got caught stealing.
what?
I am in a cop car. I am handcuffed. I am going to jail because I got caught shoplifting.
Where? Which one?
It doesn't matter. The Walmart.
No, what's the jail?
I don't know.
Should be going to SCORE, sir. Up in Des Moines.
Thank you. Alright, thank you. Alright, fuck, alright. Okay, okay, well, let me,
He said I have to stay tonight and I have to talk to a judge tomorrow, and if I don't get bail, I'm.
how much do you know how much your bill is here?
I don't know.
It's going to be $2,000.
Or bond, right?
Or bondsman, yeah.
Thank you. You said school, thank you. Alright, okay, so thank you very much. Alright,
Where's Amari?
she's right next to me.
Is she okay?
He'll be okay. Just let me. He'll be alright. Okay, thank you for calling me. Let me go ahead and let me do our guys everything.
Love you.
You too. Alright.
step line forward, please. Please step this way. And around this way. Just your tracker, this is a trespass notice. You're not allowed to go back into that Walmart for the next 3 years, okay? If you do, you'll be arrested for trespassing.
The woman was arrested and charged with shoplifting and resisting arrest. The footage speaks volumes, but in the court of public opinion, what's your verdict?